Hi guys, welcome to NMX Media Limited, and this is our academy. We've had a lot of questions from people asking how can we create a flyer or replicate a flyer using AI tool. We're going to delve into that today, giving you the secret of how you can do it with a very simple prompt. Alright, so maybe you've seen a flyer online, you like it so much, and you're thinking about recreating that flyer maybe for your personal brand or that, without having to pay too much money to graphic designers, which will definitely waste your time and may still not give you what you want. But then you've seen what you want and you want to replicate it, right? So we can go ahead and do that. Now maybe this flyer, for example, this flyer was done in Canva, and you want AI to generate something that will help you design this kind of flyer. It does, really it does. Okay, so now we'll now be like create, or can we say generate a prompt that will create this kind of design for me. Design for me, right? So let's go ahead and click on send prompt, and then we wait for it to give us that particular prompt. Have you seen it has given us the prompt that we are going to use to create that particular design, right? All right. So now we have this prompt written here. So now I want to copy it to another AI tool, Gemini this time, because those are the two tools we're going to be using today. So let me get to Gemini. I've copied this and I'll click on copy, right? So let me go to my Gemini. Okay, I think I tried this before and got a result, so that's why you may have seen that hit there, right? So I'll click here and click on create image, because everything that has to do with image is an image. Even the flyer also, Gemini will see it as an image. So we're going to wait for it to create. While it waits, please try as much as possible to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and don't forget to click on the notification button so that whenever we make a post, you are definitely going to be one of the first people to see our videos, and you will definitely have to make use of the tools before other people does. Don't forget also to follow us on Facebook page, because you're going to see more of our designs, and if you ask us questions over there, we are definitely going to attend to your question without wasting much of your time. So let's get there. We've seen this. This looks like what we've done, but maybe not everything we had wanted, because the way we wanted it is not the way it is. Do you know we can actually reference that particular flyer that we have inserted? You know, we are going to use that one for design, but then we may want to make some changes here. For example, I want to change the picture that is there. I don't like the picture, so I will be like, okay, come look for a picture I want to use and replace it. I get a picture. Maybe this fine picture here. I will not be like replace the picture with this. You don't need to speak too much grammar with this. No need of speaking too much grammar in the name of trying to write prompt. So replace the picture with this, and we wait for it to have the picture replaced for us. All right. So we are getting this done now, and in a few minutes we'll have the picture replaced for us. And as you can see, we already have this guy here. It changed the picture for us, so we can actually go ahead to edit and say change the Monday to Friday. Okay, so let's see if it will change this, change the Monday to Friday. So we can actually edit it. So this means that you can generally insert a flyer and use Gemini to edit it, but we're going to do this more elaborate and then detail it in one of our videos. So just ensure you subscribe and ensure that you do what you follow our pages, all free, so that you get to follow up with what we're doing. So you've seen we have Friday now instead of Monday. So this is how you can actually kind of insert a particular file. The same way is how you can change the logo. Maybe you already have an existing logo, you can actually put up your logo there and then it changes it for you. So this is how we can use the AI tools to get what we want by doing just some few adjustments. Now let me try the very last thing I had been longing to try all this while. I want to see if I can say make it look like this one. So maybe I'm not okay with what it has done. I will now be like, okay, make it look like this particular one I'm posting now. So I've just posted it, and I'm just going to wait for it to create something that looks like the second one I've read using the information of the first one. Remember, initially we did this in ChatGPT, and right now we are here in Gemini making adjustments, corrections, and possible changes to what we have done with another AI tool. And what happened? It gave us something that looked like that, or that looks like that, which I can actually go ahead to change the picture if I want, and do any other changes I want. So this is how we can kind of create a flyer that looks like what we have seen and liked actually online or wherever. You can even snap a picture, or you can even snap it and upload, and it will give you that kind of prompt. But then you can still not compare it to a design you've made by yourself. So still try as much as possible to learn one or two tools. Canva is there, Photoshop is there, and other people use Illustrator. So just try and get it too. And when you combine it with the little ideas you will generate from here in using AI tool, you're going to be top notch in delivering your skill. So thank you so much for watching, and we are expecting you to like, share to your friends if you want, so that they will benefit also from these free classes. Thank you so much for watching.